Politics and the divide over the Lokpal seems to have only deepened, with reports now of divisions within the UP alliance over what should be included in the draft of the Lokpal bill. Many within the UP alliance want the Prime Minister to be under its ambit, while others remain ambivalent.
हम अन्ना हजारे के साथ बैठ के एक बढ़िया बिल तैयार करेंगे ताकि जो हमारा लक्ष्य है वो अचीव हो.
Drafting of legislation is a serious job. Therefore, the members are expected to exchange their views freely and frankly.
From civil society members to members of parliament, sign that the government has changed its drafting partners for the Lokpal bill. Now the bill faces the great Indian political divide. Since it's a Congress versus allies versus opposition battle, consensus building will be tough. Things don't look good as the opposition appears more eager to raise corruption and disarray in the government than creating a corruption watchdog.
स्वयं उनको इस बात की सफाई देनी चाहिए और सबसे बढ़कर के मैं मांग करता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री को सारे देश के सामने इस बड़े शर्मनाक कांड के बारे में पूरा रहस्योद्घाटन करना चाहिए.
Faced with corruption charges, the ruling UPA has been accused of being slow and reluctant to react. The first UPA meet on Lokpal was held only a couple of days ago, in which divisions were evident. The Joint Drafting Committee has not one but two drafts. The government draft says keep the PM out of the Lokpal ambit. But the DMK, a key constituent of the ruling coalition, wants the PM covered. Allies like the Trinamool, NCP and National Conference may go with what the Congress decides. But parties like the SP and the BSP are neither saying no or yes. Right now, there is no clarity in the ruling UPA.
Government is already on the job. The Congress will present its views when Parliament is in session. This is essentially a matter for government and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to discuss when Parliament meets.
With the government unsure, the opposition is playing hard to get. The government has called for an all-party meet in July. The opposition is angry while the government discussed the bill with the civil society first. The BJP and allies first want the government and the Congress to make their stand known. The left wants a draft of the government bill before the all-party meet. Effectively, a political cat-and-mouse game is on. No one wants to commit what kind of Lokpal they want.
First we would like to see the draft. What are the provisions in the draft? Then we would decide to support or oppose or to amend.
सरकार कोई विचार विमर्श करना चाहेगी तो हम लोग अपना विचार जरूर देंगे, लेकिन पहले जानना चाहेंगे कि प्रस्ताव है क्या.
The government has promised to pass the bill in the monsoon session. The shifting of the monsoon session from sometime in July to August 1 is a sign that the government is trying to buy time. With Rahul Srivastav in New Delhi, Amitoj Singh for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.